Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix if mobile data is not working on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and check your network. After check your network, you will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset network settings, reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset and click on factory data reset. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on delete all. After click on delete all, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.